Listen, you may have heard it before, but there's something better for you on the other side of your fear. If my videos keep coming at you, it's coming at you for a reason, because God wants you to come out of that fear of failure. So here is it now. I am stepping into the fear industry. As you would see this article, how paranormal activity became the scariest, most successful DIY horror movie ever. So you got some things in your mind, in your heart, but there's this fear that is trying to grab a hold of you not to step out in faith. So here am I actually coming to you again in another video to help you to overcome your fear of failure. And you see that? DIY. So here is it now. You thinking about being perfect, having the perfect this, perfect that. Listen, things don't have to be perfect. Get up, start moving with what you got now. You see, this DIY project started with this guy filming with a couple people and with the idea that he had. And so he moved upon it, and he didn't tell much people because he kept it private. You know what happened when Paranormal Activity was released in theaters? In about 2009, that thing grossed $200 million. Think about that. Listen, you don't know what you're sitting on by allowing fear to stop and control you. So as an entrepreneur or business owner, or someone just have creative ideas in them, it's time to get it out. Check out my profile. Check out the Fear of Failure workshop. What I didn't tell you is this project started with an investment of $15,000. Just get started with what you got. Check out my profile. Let's go.